Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 7. Turtle keeps walking. The turtle keeps walking on the road. The turtle keeps walking on the road. The turtle looks ahead. The turtle looks ahead. The wind blows very softly. The wind blows very softly. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. The turtle moves its feet. The turtle moves its feet. I will not stop. I will not stop. Leaves fall on the road. Leaves fall on the road. The forest was very quiet. The forest was very quiet. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle moves very slowly. I do not need to hurry. I do not need to hurry. The monkey watches from a tree. The monkey watches from a tree. The bear sits very quietly. The bear sits very quietly. The fox watches the road. The fox watches the road. The turtle takes a deep breath. The turtle takes a deep breath. I will go to the end. I will go to the end. The wind moved the grass. The wind moved the grass. A bird sits on a branch. A bird sits on a branch. The turtle crosses a stone. The turtle crosses a stone. The road still continues. The road still continues. The turtle looks at the sky. The turtle looks at the sky. The sky shines very blue. The sky shines very blue. I move one step at a time. I move one step at a time. The monkey smiles a little. The monkey smiles a little. The bear is nodding. The bear is nodding. The fox narrows its eyes. The fox narrows its eyes. The turtle starts walking again. The turtle starts walking again. I do not want to lose. I do not want to lose. The wind shook the trees. The wind shook the trees. Leaves dance in the air. Leaves dance in the air. The turtle moves forward. The turtle moves forward. Light shines into the forest. Light shines into the forest. The turtle is sweating a little. The turtle is sweating a little. I can still walk. I can still walk. The monkey makes a shout. The monkey makes a shout. Go turtle, keep going. Go turtle, keep going. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. The bear shows a smile. The bear shows a smile. The turtle stares at the road. The turtle stares at the road. I only look forward. I only look forward. The wind pushed my back. The wind pushed my back. The turtle smiles slightly. The turtle smiles slightly. The road continued for a long time. The road continued for a long time. The fox walks very quietly. The fox walks very quietly. The monkey hits the tree. The monkey hits the tree. The turtle keeps walking. The turtle keeps walking. I am still fine. I am still fine. White clouds move across the sky. White clouds move across the sky. The forest shined very brightly. The forest shined very brightly. The turtle did not stop. The turtle did not stop. The race is still going on. The race is still going on. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.